Hi, I'm Jeff Bookma from Eastern Dairy Services. I've been a dealer for 34 years, and I have my partner Victor Baker, who's going to be taking over.
My name's Victor Baker. I've been with Eastern Dairies for a little over 7 years. I just bought the dealership from Jeff Bookma and Heidi. So we service the majority, probably 3/4 of Nova Scotia. I find it nice to have a relationship with a farmer on their bad days, to show them that you can go there, you can service them, then you can turn their day around.
I go around, I drive around to all the farms and just drop in on them periodically and find out what's going on. And being on the route truck for pretty well 10 years, I got to know every one of them personally, and their kids and their dogs, the whole thing, yeah.
We try to always make sure our customers are happy and taken care of, and if they need something, we try to help them as much as we can. Our guys really love the dairy industry, and I think that's a big part too, right? They want to help the customers because they love the industry. They want to be part of it, and they understand the farmer, like, because they've been on a farm, they've grown up a farmer, they've worked on a farm, and they know what it's like, and they want to help them.
We just tried to treat our customers fairly and take care of them as best as we could. We always told the farmer, you know, we're not perfect, but we're just going to try our best.
Robot service for us is really, it gets to a personal level. You really get to form a really good relationship with the farmer, which I myself really like. So you work on a farm for at least a month every day, and you get to become friends with these producers.
I think the Eastern Dairy is probably the main reason why we went with the DeLaval robot. We have a good relationship with the people that are working there, and we have for years, long before we bought the robots. If you're looking to buy robots or any other system, I would highly recommend Eastern Dairy as your supplier.
Everybody at the dealership is my peers, so I can call them up anytime if I have any questions, and they're usually happy to guide you through it. I can call if you're down, they will do whatever it takes to get you up and rolling again. I would recommend Eastern Dairy Services.
Eastern, I think, has led the way in Nova Scotia now for, and the DeLaval Group for the last 20 years. Like, they were the ones to come up. They're by far the most pronounced name with it. A great group of guys who will always get there for you. To me, that's the biggest selling point with these. It doesn't matter if it's 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, you can call, and I swear to you, I don't know how they do it, but so I say, hey, what's going on, Greg? What's up? At 3 in the morning, like, as pleasant as it can be, drop everything, come out and do it. You can't ask for better service that way. It amazes me how they continue to grow it, still find people to put these in and still service everybody. And I'm sure there's going to be some big steps coming for them too in the future with the expansion of their company. Yes, I would recommend Eastern Dairy Services for any robot purchases, maintenance, or any other type of installation as well.
You know, they got a couple of real good guys there. They keep us out of trouble here sometimes. So.
Through the years, you know, as far as milking equipment goes and the companies to deal with, DeLaval's been very good. I would say in the milking industry, it's probably the best company to deal with.
Another thing I like with DeLaval is they're very user-friendly. So we sold a robot to a guy over there. He was almost 50, never had a cell phone, never had internet, never used a computer. And he's been farming with his robot now for over a year. And when he calls, we just talk him through it, and he can fix anything that goes wrong with his robot.
It's neat to see a company that kind of, you know, invests in the future, and you know, I'm there for you, right? So as a dealer, it's a two-way street. We got to work together as a team, and DeLaval's been good to work with.